Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugenia, for those of you that are new to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make an A-line dress that you can use to work from home. Many people, including me, has been working from home for at least 2-3 months, and I think that's something we're gonna do more and more often. So I thought showing you how to make a very easy dress, comfortable to wear at home. This is the final dress. This is the dress I made. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. I hope you like it. And please remember, see that I have added a little bit of crochet. You know I love doing crochet. But you can just finish it normal with some facings on the, and it's just a very simple dress, A-line, fresh and comfortable for summer. Before I start with the cutting, I need to make sure my fabric is perfectly matched. It has a very noticeable pattern. I'm just matching the checks. I don't have enough fabric to do 100% match. It would also be a huge fabric waste. I will cut 2 pieces for the back body. Please see links to patterns on the description box. In order to cut my front body panels, I will use the back body ones. This way I can perfectly match the lines of the print. Now I will cut the front neckline and the armholes using the front body patterns. Straight after, I cut the small pieces, pockets and back neck opening facings. I won't be cutting the facings for the neck and the armholes. Since I'm doing the crochet, I won't need those. You will need to cut those pieces in case you don't want to make the crochet trim. As I normally do, I'm assembling the dress with basting stitch so I can fit it. I like quite deep armholes, so I will mark the shape I want and recut them through. I start the sewing by making an overlock or zigzag stitch all the way around each piece. I close down the back opening facings to about 10 cm. The remaining of the facing stays loose for the moment. Right after, I close the central back seam from the opening point. Then the center front seam, the shoulders and side seams in that order. When I sew the center back seam, I will also stitch the loose part of the opening's facings. To prepare the pockets, I press down a 1 cm fold all the way around sides and bottom, and a 4 cm one at the top. I top stitch the upper pocket fold. I place the pockets at the front body and I will sew them with an edge top stitch. To finish on the sewing machine, I will make a top stitching all the way around the hem. I had previously pressed it down to the desired measurement. I'm now going to do a general iron into the dress. Before that, I make a 0.5 cm fold around the neckline and the armholes. For the crochet trim, I will use the following stitches: blanket stitch, single crochet, open pivot stitch. I start my crochet with a blanket stitch around the neckline. I'm using a thin needle of 1.75 millimeters. I make a row of single crochet on top of the blanket stitch row. I will need to reduce some stitches as I go along to avoid the neck making a wavy shape. And the last row is an open picot stitch. I repeat the same process around the armholes. I finish the loose threads and I put a button to fasten in the back neck. I now proceed to the final ironing and the dress is finished. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I will come back soon with more ideas and projects. Don't forget subscribing to my channel and sharing the videos. Thank you.